This course is designed to help you build Python systems that can scale to support millions of users. It's a 9-week journey from beginner to production ready, featuring 5 real projects. The systems we build are capable of handling 100 million requests per second. Before I explain the course, let me show you exactly where you will be after completing it. After this course, you will engineer with Python at a production scale. You will build 5 real portfolio projects, think like a systems architect, and write production-grade code using senior engineering habits from day one. You will deploy with Docker, process data at scale efficiently, and test with full confidence using tools like PyTest and TDD. Now let me show you the 5 actual projects you will build. These are the 5 production projects for your portfolio, featuring real code and real architecture. From a production CLI utility to a data processing engine, an OOP simulation framework, a resilient API client, and a containerized microservice using Python, Docker, and DevOps. These are practical applications you'll confidently show in any interview. Let me show you the cost of not developing these skills right now. Most courses only teach syntax, but you need to build systems. Many developers find themselves in tutorial hell, unable to build anything real from scratch, and their code breaks in production because they lack error handling and defensive coding skills. They lack architectural thinking and a real portfolio to show interviewers. Staying stuck is not a neutral choice. Every month has a real measurable cost. Without production skills, you are stuck indefinitely with junior salaries and missing out on the biggest tech booms. With production skills, you can build systems that scale, secure senior promotions, and higher salaries. The skills gap, which can cost you over $200,000 in 4 years, is learnable in just 9 weeks. So what exactly closes that gap? The solution is here. Learn Python from scratch and code every day. This course is built by 100 million requests per second engineers and focuses on 5 portfolio projects, not toy apps. We emphasize the why before the how and cover the full lifecycle: code, test, and deploy. Visit Systemdr.com to enroll now. Let me tell you about who built this and why their background matters more than any credential. You'll learn from an engineer with decades of system architecture experience, who has designed systems handling over 100 million requests per second in big tech. This is production Python at enterprise scale, delivered with a conversational teaching style. I've witnessed firsthand the difference between code that works and code that performs under pressure. Let me go deeper on the most technically impressive project, the one interviewers always ask about. Project 5, the containerized microservice plus API client, showcases real architecture. It involves a Python app with business logic and error handling, an API layer with retry logic, a Docker container for environment isolation, and communication with an external service. We implement retry logic, efficient serialization, comprehensive error handling, and structured logging. This is production engineering. Now let me show you how you actually learn to build all of this. This is not passive video consumption. You code every day from day one. You'll move through the full engineering lifecycle: code, test with TDD and PyTest, debug with real tools, deploy with Docker, and review for clean code. The methodology includes 35+ daily progressive lessons and focuses on architectural thinking. This methodology works for a huge range of developers. Let me show you who this is for. This course is built for anyone serious about Python, whether you are getting started as a college grad or self-taught coder, or leveling up as a software, DevOps, or QA engineer. It is also great for expanding skills for data engineers and software architects. If you want code that is not just functional but truly impactful, this is your course. Don't just take my word for it. Here's what developers who've already completed this course are saying. Developers report that this course completely changed how they think about code, leading to promotions and job readiness. The feedback on learning to build real systems and applying TDD is consistently outstanding. With over 50,000 students and a 4.9 out of 5.0 rating, the course offers 35+ daily lessons and one-time access. Now let me show you the full 9-week learning path step by step. The 9-week path consists of 4 core modules. M1 is the Python Launchpad, covering basics like setup and error handling. M2 dives into data and structure, including file I/O and JSON processing. M3 covers OOP mastery, focusing on classes, objects, and design principles. Finally, M4 develops a production mindset, teaching, testing, debugging, and observability. Everything you need is included in one complete package. Let me show you exactly what is in it. The course includes 35+ hands-on lessons, 5 portfolio-grade projects, and a complete GitHub codebase for endless reference. You get lifetime access and all future updates included. On the production side, there is a Docker deployment walkthrough, PyTest and unit test coverage, modern Python features, a certificate of completion, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Lifetime access means this works for your career years after you complete it. So here is the investment. Start building production-ready systems today. Whether you're just starting out or ready to level up, this program is designed to take you from beginner to professional, step by step. Unlock lifetime access to the entire course for a one-time payment of just $79, available on any device you own. Or else choose the Pro plan at just $39 per month, or go all in with Pro Max for $99 per month and gain access to 5 real-world production portfolio projects, along with complete GitHub codebase access to strengthen your hands-on skills. And also unlock 35+ daily hands-on lessons and a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can learn with confidence. No guesswork, no wasted time, just practical, industry-focused learning that scales with you. Take the next step in your tech journey. Enroll now. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. The course is self-paced, but every week you wait is a week behind. Python production skills are in peak demand. The 30-day guarantee means zero risk. What exactly are you waiting for? The price is not going down. The demand is not going down. The best time is right now. This course provides production-ready skills for modern developers. You can find out more at systemdrd.com or email sdr@systemdrd.com. The GitHub codebase is included with enrollment. Are you ready to build systems that handle 100 million requests per second? Join Systemdr today. Link in the description.